Michael Sudbury in round 3. Here we go.
You going?
Yeah.
Hey! Uno! Dos! Round 3! This will be sweet!
Oh, it's too fucking cold out here! It's all the way by the entrance. Now he's reversing. Coming our way. Picking up speed, picking up speed. Oh shit, here he comes. Oh my god. And he's leaving me. What an asshole. It's too cold out here. Oh. That was Sudbury in round 3. In the Stang. I think he's going for a round 4. Oh shit, watch out. See why this kid is my best friend? He makes my car look good. Look at him go! And I believe he is finally done. Listen to that music.
Now it's time to really go home.
Okay.